Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technologies channel, and from what I've seen is that first of all, for those asking, Windows 10 seems to have its release preview updates for the C updates. So that means that the bug fixing updates will be eventually available probably in a week and a half from now. So now we have Windows 11 and Windows 10 being tested and release preview for the bug fixes updates for May 2022. The other thing also, if you're in the dev channel and have been using the Windows subsystem for Android, well, there's an update. It updated, first of all, the Android version to 12.1, but also it has added a feature where telemetry can be turned off for Android apps in the Android subsystem. So it's a big update that's been released for the Android subsystem for Linux. So these are a few little things. If you are in the dev channel, you probably have seen that there's been a small update to verify the Windows update. So this is something that is regularly done to make sure that the Windows updates are going well. Since it's a separate place, of course, that means that it is in the it is, of course, testing a different way of updating from the other builds that are often there in the system. So lots of little things like that happening with the servicing stack update, with the Windows subsystem for Linux, as you see here, and things like that happening within the builds. As for the rest, of course, Windows 11 now is being tested in beta and dev with two different updates. That's something to understand. People that have been testing it, some have questions regularly on what's the difference. Dev channel, you're now stuck there and you're testing some advanced features that will come later. The beta channel is testing what's 22H2 coming up later this year. And, well, we still have no news for 22H2 on Windows 10, but we know it's a thing. So eventually there'll be some news and there'll be something showing up that's going to tell us that we are going to have a small cumulative update appear at some point on Windows 10 for that, because it has to, since the updates are good for 18 months before end of support. There needs to be a new version. There will need to be 22H2 in order for that to continue and, of course, be up to date and supported until 2025 as usual. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.